Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I will see you how you can verify Worldcoin account without ORB. So let's get started. Let's go open the Worldcoin app, and so here you can log into your existing account. Then you have to just click to verify, and so it will show nearby center of verify to you, because ORB is device where the company stores your handprint and print of your data, and we'll do the KYC of them, and then you can just withdraw the money and verify your account. So this is basic reason, and you have any question related this, you can let me know guys my comment section. And if you have found this video guys helpful, then make sure you like this video and share this video and subscribe to my channel. And thanks again for watching this video guys. Keep watching, and any question guys write and comment below, and see you another video.